If I'm given, you have to find that's I, fx, y, function involving x and y, then I, this one involving x, y. Given that, f of x, y is equal to, this time we have sine x squared plus 2y cubed plus A and B. XY, 3x. So let's have cos 2x3 plus 2y squared. So we are going to look at how to find derivative of this. Derivative of this.
Hello, please say.
Wait to take the first, yes.
The first one, sine x cube or x squared.
The first one, this is x squared.
Yeah.
X squared. This is x squared and y squared. This is cube. So let's look at how to find the derivative of this. Now, solution. The first one is having the f of xy, which is equal to sine bracket x squared plus 2y cubed. The first is to find f of x, y, xy. So that means that we are differentiating this function, which involves two variables, x and y, with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiating it, there is how to go. We differentiate the function here. So we are going to differentiate this function with respect to x, and that will give us what? 2x. This one we differentiate, get to m. But there's no x here. So if we differentiate this function with respect to x, we get 0. Whatever is 0 gives 0, but this one gives us 2x. So we have 2x. Then we come to this one. If we differentiate sine, what do we get? Yes, sine. What do we get? We have a cos. So that's all because bracket x squared plus what 2y cubed. Any question over there? So anytime we are given a trig function that is involving two unknown variables, you first differentiate the function and multiply by differentiating the sine or the cos, the trigonometry function. So you differentiate this one, multiply by differentiating this one. Know that if you differentiate sine, get what? The cos. Now I want you to do this one. This time we are differentiating with respect to y. We are differentiating this with respect to y. We are differentiating this with respect to y. Yes, what will be the answer?
So it's
X to the
6y
power
square,
2.
You have what? 6
y square
y squared, yes.
plus
Plus, yes.
square plus
Uh-huh.
2y cube.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So that will be the solution for that one. Now we want the last one. I want you to differentiate the last one. I want you to differentiate the last one. After we are given the function x, y to be equal to cos 2x cubed plus 2y squared. This one. So we are supposed to find f of x, y. Then we find f of this one. So we are finding this and we are finding that. Yes, the first one, what the answer be?
The first one is negative sign. So negative
Okay,
6 square,
negative
negative
6
x
x
square
squared.
sine
Mm-hmm,
2x cube
mm-hmm.
plus 2y square.
Okay, the next one.
And the next one is negative 4y
Mm-hmm.
sine 2x cube plus 2y square.
Okay, so that's 1, 2 is fine to get. Okay, so let's have this given that f of x, y is equal to 10 bracket x squared y2. This side is 7, sorry, plus x y3. We have to find I, x is, then I, y, x, y. So I want you to also solve it. We know that if you differentiate tan, what do you get?
Sec squared.
You
Section.
have what? Sec squared, yes. So keep that one. Okay, so what will be the solution? Know that this one will be sec squared. And you are differentiating it with respect to x. So the solution. First one.
Hello.
Yes.
Please, the first one with respect to x.
Mm-hmm.
7x exponent 6 y
7
square
x
x exponent
exponent
6
6 uh-huh.
y, y square
Y squared, yes.
plus
Plus
y cube.
y cube. Okay.
Yes, please. Bracket close.
Mm-hmm.
Then sec
Set.
square
Yes.
x exponent 7 y
Okay.
square
Uh-huh.
plus xy cube.
Very good. Very good. So that's correct. Very good. Very good. And let's go to the last one.
And the last one,
And so that one will be fyx. Yes. Let's go.
yes, 2x
Okay, let
exponent
please
6.
can you allow different person to
Okay, sir.
okay, Eric. Eric, give us the second answer. Yes.
So I had
Uh-huh.
sec square. Okay, let me start from the inside.
Okay.
You get 2y
2y.
x to the power 7
Okay, so let's write the x first. 2x7y. Okay.
okay plus
Plus
3y square.
x.
Okay, yes, x to be attached to it.
Okay. Let's go.
Then sec square, what is the function inside the bracket?
Sec squared and the function. Okay. So the function. That will be the answer. Any question before you move on? Any question before you move on? So that's what we learned last time. Is
Doc,
what we learned. Yes.
please, Doc.
Yes.
In
Come.
the formula we were given, we were introduced to some dots between them. So here, if we bring the dot, is it an error?
Dot where? Yeah.
Yes.
The dot also means multiplication.
Yes. So if we leave it like this, is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Doc.
So you don't have a duster?
I have a duster. This is my duster. Or you bring me a new one. This tissue, have you seen it? That's my duster. You thought I'm using my bare hand. No,
Yes,
no.
yes.
That's a tissue. Okay, so let's go to this next part. That's of natural exponential function. So I come to natural exponential function. This time to involving two variables. Look at where it's involving two variables. That's why my friend said, I said, you don't have a duster, then lose it. Okay, so let's have this. Please, I want you to take note of this. if I'm differentiating this with respect to x, this time I have in brackets, then the function f of x, y. I'm differentiating this with respect to x. What does it mean? Meaning that I'm going to differentiate this one. This one is with respect to x. So I'm going to differentiate this one with respect to x. That's the function x, y. Please take note of that. Then this one is multiplying. It's multiplying the exponential function x, y. So whenever you are given this, what you're supposed to do, you differentiate the function here. You know that the function is involving two variables, so you have to apply the laws involving when you are differentiating two variables. Whenever it's with respect to x, differentiate it, you bring it down to different, then you multiply by what? The exponential function. The second one is if I'm differentiating it with respect to y, saying this function x, y, this one will be equal to, then I will differentiate the function, this function, with respect to y, then I'll multiply by the exponential function. I multiply by the exponential function. Multiply by the exponential function. Can I clean them?
No. Say wait.
I should wait.
Yeah.
Let's take the third one. Let's take the third one. Third one is differentiating with respect to x. This time we are finding the length of the function x, y. So I find the length function x, y with respect to x. And what should we do? So we differentiate this one with respect to x. So we differentiate the function with respect to x. That's the function f of x, y, all divided by the function itself. All divided by the function itself. So this one I have length function x, y. This is equal to, you differentiate function with respect to y, all divided by the function itself. So we are going to take some questions and see how you need to answer them. So let's take some questions. Given that, f of x, y is equal to x cubed plus y squared find A f of 1 x, y, b f of 2 xy. Then C f of 1 2 xy. So let's look at how to solve this. Remember last time I said that if you don't see the x and the y at this place, then we can use our figures like 1, 2, right? The x stands for 1, then y stands for what? 2. But if I have f11, it's the same as what? fxx. Let's take the first one. See how we are going to solve. We are giving our xy, which equals to the exponential function x cubed plus y squared. I'm going to differentiate this one with respect to x. I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. So f1 xy is equal to, what am I to do? I'm to differentiate this function here with respect to what? X. If we differentiate with respect to x, we get up 3x squared. Right? This, there's no s, so we return to what? 0. It's a constant, this term. Then we multiply by the function, the exponential function, this one. Yes, this one should be our answer. So we differentiate whatever is here with respect to x, then you multiply by the function itself. Multiply by the function itself. So I want you to do the second one. I want you to do the second one, the third one. The third one,
2y.
the third one, you differentiate with respect to x first, then you differentiate again with respect to y.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
The C, you said we should differentiate f of 1, then f of 2. Then what next will we do?
The C.
Yes, please.
The C is the same as xy. Okay, it's 1, 2. That's the xy. You first differentiate with respect to x.
Yes, sir.
Then later differentiate your result with respect to y.
Okay.
This was the answer for the second one. Then we come to the last one. What's the answer for the second one?
3y square.
I got 2y. 2y.
Aha.
Now 2.
So you have this, yes, it's what? 2
2y
2y
multiplying e raised to the power 3
Multiplying
plus
e raised to the power
Uh-huh.
right.
function
Right.
x cubed.
X plus
S
Y
cubed plus Y square.
Y squared, yes. Okay. So
And then
that's it. Now let's go to the last one.
the C.
The last one, C.
C. 6x square Y.
Please, let's do it first. We have
The
One.
F1. Okay.
yes. What will happen? Yes. The first,
Yeah, the
we did
first,
that. We had a
that one
three-
is 3
3x squared e
exponent
x
x
e plus y squared.
e. Yes, please.
You are
Then we
right.
differentiate with
So we differentiate it again with respect to what?
With-
Y.
Y.
Okay, so let's
And that
differentiate
one,
respect. You see
so-
that this is find this, right?
yes, please.
So what do you use? We use the product what? Rule.
Rule.
The product
Or you,
comes out.
or you
Use
can
the-
also treat 3x square as constant
Mhm,
and differentiate the top with respect to Y.
mhm. That's all.
So after
Okay.
differentiating,
Mhm.
you get 6x square
Okay, so
Y.
let's all do it. Let's all do it together. We are
Okay.
differentiating based on respect to Y. We are differentiating respect to Y. So we treat this as a constant
Okay.
and differentiate this with respect to Y. We leave this one there. We differentiate this. If we differentiate this with respect to Y, you get 0. So this one will be 0 times E S Q plus Y.
SQ plus
Then
plus-
plus, you keep
Then
this, differentiate that with respect to Y. If we differentiate this one with respect to Y, you get what?
yeah, you
Yes.
get 2Y
2Y, right? You get 2Y and multiply whatever it is. So the
Multiply
2Y will multiply this to get what?
6x square Y.
So 6x squared Y. Very good. Then multiply x cubed plus y squared. No, this will give us 0. So the answer is 6x squared
X
right,
squared Y.
is x cubed plus y squared. So this will be our answer.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Please, can you go over again? Like,
Okay. So the question given to us was f of x y is equal to e x cubed plus y squared. And first, we have to differentiate with respect to x. And we differentiate the result again with respect to y. So the first differential with respect to x, we had this. Now we are going to differentiate this result with respect to y. So this is what we do. We keep this one and differentiate this. We are using the product rule. So we keep this, we differentiate this, right? So keeping this and differentiate, we are differentiating this with respect to what? Y, that's the 2. And there's no y there. So if we differentiate, we get 0. We get 0. Then we are keeping this, so we keep that one. Then plus, remember we kept this and we differentiated this. So this time it will be differentiating this and we are keeping that. So when we differentiate this, if we differentiate this, sorry, we are going to differentiate and keep that. So if you are keeping this, and you have 3x squared. If you differentiate this with respect to y, remember the definition. We are going to differentiate this one, and it's giving us 2y. That 2y will multiply the whatever is here to give us what? 6x squared y. That's what we have. Then we keep.
thank you very much, sir.
Are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
You see that this part will be 0, then we have this part. So let's take another one and see if we'll be able to also get that. So I want you to go through this. Please be fast. I want you to take a few minutes to this. Look through the questions. Then we start solving. Please, are we finished? Okay. Let's take them one after the other. The first one, you are supposed to find what? F11. Right? but you need to find F1 first. You can do that. And let's find F1, which is the same as differentiating the function with respect to x. Let's go. You see that there are two functions multiplied. So here we are going to use a product rule. We are going to use a product rule. We're using a product rule. We keep this differentiating this and keep that differentiating that. That's a product rule. Now let's go. If you differentiate this one with respect to x, you get what? 2x. Right? So there's the first one. Then you come and differentiate this one. So class, this one, we keep this one. When you differentiate this one with respect to x, what do you get? We are differentiating sine x y squared. What do you get?
Cos.
Remember the definition. The hot. Differentiate whatever is here.
Differentiate x.
Yeah.
But you get one.
X.
Cos
If you
y
differentiate
squared.
this one by x, you get y squared. This is not one, this y squared. Are you paying attention?
Yes, please.
You get y squared. Then this one what?
Cos.
X. X. So x squared, y squared. Please do get it now.
Yes, sir.
Then cos
xy squared.
x. So already the x squared is there, so it's there. Now if you differentiate whatever here, you get what? 2. With respect to x, you get what? Y squared. So the y squared will multiply by which we have x squared, y squared. Then this sign will change to cos. So that is for the first one. Now we go to fxx. So we are going to take them again and differentiate with respect to x. So let's take this one alone. What will you get? Yes. You get 2 sine x y squared. Then what happened again? You differentiate what is inside. With respect to x, you get what? Y squared.
So you get 2xy squared
2x.
cos x
We are
y
differentiating with
squared.
respect to x. Please.
No, you're
Yes,
going
sir.
to get y squared. You get y squared.
You get what? Y squared.
Squared.
Right? Then you multiply that. Remember, we kept this, we differentiated this. Here's what you have. Then plus, yes. We are keeping this, differentiating this. So if you differentiate this one with respect to x, you get y squared. The y squared will multiply this to get 2x y squared.
Y squared cos
You have what?
x y squared
Cos
cos x y squared
x, y squared. Very
y.
good. So we are done here. Then we come down here. Let's do it. We are differentiating this with respect to x. The 2x y squared multiplying cos x y squared. Are you seeing it now? Then we come to keeping this, differentiating this. So if we differentiate this with respect to x, what do you get? You get what? Y squared. The y squared will come here, you have x squared y form. X squared y form. Then you go to this one, what? Minus. Do you agree? Negative sine x. Please do you agree on that?
Yes, sir. I don't get it.
Yes. Which one?
Differentiating with respect to y.
With respect to We are doing x, so not y, with respect to y.
X. Oh,
You know, we are differentiating whatever we have here to this ones. We are differentiating them with respect to x. So we are taking this, differentiating them with respect to x. Then we come here, we differentiate them to respect to x. When you come here, you apply the product rule. The product rule says that we will take this one, we differentiate this with respect to x, that gives us 2. And keep this one as our constant. Then we will keep this one as our constant. We differentiate whatever is here with respect to x. Now, whatever is inside, what's here is x, y squared. So if we differentiate this, we get what? Y squared. The x will go. So we multiply that y squared by this and give us this. And sign changing to what? Cos. So we have that one. Now we come to this one to do the same, the product rule. We will keep this and differentiate this. If you differentiate this with respect to x, you get 2xy squared. 2xy squared. Then multiply whatever is there. Then you keep this and differentiate this with respect to x. If you differentiate this one with respect to x, you get what? Y squared. The y squared will multiply this. You get x squared y exponent 4. Then you differentiate the cos to give you negative sign. Then you have that one too. Any question again? Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one we're asked to find out.
F21 of x or y.
F21. Okay.
Hello, sir. Please, this question can't we simplify it? Because I can
Yes,
see
you can
there's
simplify.
some light terms over
You
there.
can see, okay.
Okay.
If there are some similarities, let's go ahead to simplify. Okay, let's simplify them. We can still see some similarities. So we have x, this one. Let's go. We have this and that, right? Can we see that one? So what can we write there? Write as of 2 minus x squared y 4. Then we have a sine x y squared. Do you agree for the 2? Then we come to this and that. See y squared, this one there. So we have, they are also the same. This is 2, and that is 2. So give us what? 4. So plus 4 x y squared plus x. I hope this is what we are talking about. This and that will give us 4. This and that to be 2 minus whatever is there. Sign of that. Any question before we move on? So I want you to do the 2-1. The 2-1. You first differentiate with y, then come to x. First differentiate y, then come to x. Please give me the function.
X squared sine
Come again.
x squared sine into bracket
X squared sine to bracket xy.
x y squared.
Okay. So we are going to differentiate this with respect to y. And we are using the product rule. Let's keep this and differentiate that. If you keep this, you have x squared. And differentiate this, what do you get? Now differentiating with respect to y.
2
Go
x
2
squared y cos
2x.
squared y.
There's already x squared. And if you differentiate this one with respect to y, what do you get?
2x cubed y.
2xy. 2xy.
2x. Then you multiply by this. 2x cubed y.
One.
Then this one will change to what?
Cos
Cos.
Is it negative or positive?
Positive.
positive
Okay,
cos
so it will be cos, yes, x,
x
y
y
squared.
squared.
Any question here? So that is keeping this, right, differentiating that. Now let's go to the other way. We keep this and
So why is the
differentiate
x keep?
where's the x what?
Keep. Why is it keep? 2x keep. Is it supposed to be square or keep?
Why is it x cubed?
Yes, sir.
Differentiate this one with respect to y and tell me the answer.
You'll get 2y sine x, y.
No, please differentiate this. What is here? What is it there?
With respect to
We are
2xy.
differentiating this one with respect to y. So what will be this one? If we differentiate
2y,
this one with
2y.
respect to you get
You
what?
get 2y. 2y.
Do you see that?
2xy,
Yeah.
not 2y, 2xy. 2xy.
Allow her. You allow her. Please, do you see that there's x there?
Yes.
So what will you do about the x? Will you throw it away?
No, it's a constant, so it will multiply. So 2xy.
Okay. So 2xy multiply
Okay,
the
I
x squared.
understood. It's okay. So it's okay. Let's
Okay.
continue.
Okay, let's continue. Now we kept this and we differentiated that. Now let's keep this and differentiate this. This one, there's no y. So if you differentiate this, you get what? 0. It will be 0 times sine x y squared. With the whole thing will be 0, right? So at the end, I have 2x cubed y cos x y squared. So this will be the first differential. The first differential. Then let's go to the second one. We differentiate it with what? Respect to x. So this will be 2, 1. X, y. We are going to differentiate this one with respect to what? X. So first, let's take the coefficient. The coefficient. So let's keep differentiate the respect to x. What will be the answer? This our focus is on this. So to what?
6x
squared
X squared y.
Very good. 6x squared y. Cos what?
xy squared.
Then, we keep this and differentiate that with respect to x. So let's differentiate this. What will happen?
Y
With
squared.
respect to x, you get what?
Y
Y
squared.
squared.
Y squared. The y squared will come and multiply this.
So 2x
That's what
cubed y.
2x cubed y cubed. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then this one will change to what?
Minus.
Negative sign.
So we have 2x cubed minus 2x cubed y cubed sine x y squared. Any question over there? Any question before we move on? Okay. I gave you another one, right?
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Do you have another question there?
Yes.
There were two.
Yes.
Okay, so I hope that one we can solve it.
So let's try that one.
No, sir.
You want to try, so I should give you some 2 minutes to try. Eh?
No, let's do it together.
Okay. Now, what's the question? The question is what?
E exponent x squared y.
So we are giving the f of x, y, so e exponent x squared what?
Y ln
Ln
3x squared plus y.
3x squared plus y. Okay. Now we are supposed to find out f of x. So please, you see that there are two things multiplying. This and that, right? So we are going to use a product or the product rule. We'll keep this as a constant, then differentiate this. Plus keeping this as a constant, then differentiate that. So let's go. Whichever way, yes. Which one should we keep first as a constant?
So the
Which one?
natural log, the ln.
The length. Want the length to be constant. Okay, now we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So let's go. We are differentiating
XY.
2xy.
2xy.
X 2xy e
2xy.
exponent
Yes.
E exponent s square y.
x squared y.
Ln
Length
3x
3x
squared plus y.
agree on that.
Yeah.
Okay, then plus we are keeping this and differentiating this.
So
So we keep the ex squared y. Then let's go to this multiplying off. Yes.
6x.
How do you do it? You differentiate what is here, right? With
Yes,
respect
please.
to what?
Yes.
So to what?
Yes.
6
All over
all over
3x squared plus y.
Yeah, 3x square
3x
plus.
plus y. So our final answer to be 2xy e x squared y length 3x
3x
squared
plus y.
plus 6x
E
x squared y all on 3x
3x
squared. This one you are asked. That's what we are answer.
Please position the camera or
So you see nyama thing like this, it's not difficult if you know what is happening. And someone will say the nyama, the I and the lane and the this.
If you know what is happening.
He said, if you know what.
No, the way you say if you know what is happening.
If you don't understand, you see them nyama. If you understand them, they are easy. They are not nyama like that. They represent something. I want you to work the last one. The last one was what? Differentiating it with respect to y.
Why?
So do it, and later I'll call any of you to give me the answer. So I'm giving you just a minute. Look at what we've done. And follow through. Any of you. If you are unable to solve, you give us 500 cedis. Please don't turn to AI to give you the answer.
As usual, some people use AI.
Because you are going to pay 500, then return to AI to give you the answer. No. So I know those who will use AI, and I'll call them. The moment you give the answer from AI, I'll get to know it. You know, Kasaka, you should pay me.
Sir, please, the question I can't see it.
Which question, please?
The one you said we should solve right now. Or you are saying we should
The
differentiate in
one I
respect
said
to
you
why?
should do.
You said we should differentiate it.
You are differentiating this with respect to why?
Okay, thank you.
There is the question. This
Okay.
is the function. Do you know this?
So
Yes,
let me try.
No, I'm asking you, do you know this?
Yes, please.
Do you know this?
Yes.
Okay, so at least it's no nyama nyama. You understand? Okay.
Let me try the answer.
I've not asked you.
Oh, okay.
We want 500 cities, so those who can do, I won't call. At least I have some ladies there. I want them to pay the 500 cities. Let me see the ladies and call them. Agnes. Agnes. Agi. Madam Agiba.
Maybe she is cooking.
On Kasakra na Samba.
Say
Yes.
6x e exponent x square y all
Ocho.
over what? The
Agnes
denominator.
Nekasayana.
Are you Agnes? Are you Agnes?
Besides,
Are you Agnes?
Na madam, Masade.
Ade, where Agnes?
no, I'm not giving answer. I'm asking. I want to copy something under there.
Hey, what? Relax.
6x e exponent x square y all on the down number. I'm not getting it. I can't see.
No, any reaction.
Oh, okay.
We now know multiplying the transfer to so much. Therefore, we not sure why. Agi, who some Agi from Hundi? Doctors.
Yeah, Doki.
Say,
Me body na one kasa.
say, Sam here.
Yes, okay, Doctors kasa. Agi Agnes the 100 cities, more can 1,000 cities. Yeah, Doctors kasa iti.
So I got
Hey,
two.
whom you here?
I got 2x.
Hey, Doki, now who me see?
You had 2x, yes.
2x e exponent x square y exponent and x square y ln.
S
So
Y.
y is there? Yeah, y x square y ln
Wow.
into bracket.
Don't give respect to you.
Me pacho. Oh.
Oliver Sheye.
Why on
Oliver.
what in? What I come to? Me pacho. What I Doctors one and little show one. Why?
Oliver.
Samuel Boateng.
Sir, please clean it.
Oliver.
Clean it.
Me ada kwa minkasai.
And you, Oliver. Samuel Boateng na yesare.
Say na me o, Oliver.
Say ono.
Say voice in your home. Samuel Boateng. Oba my 250 cities. What the car? Okay. What the car 250? Yanko, Doctors.
Sir, please clean it. Hey, today be today. Oh.
Mini ya
Today
no
they
very
Sir, x squared
X squared
e
E
exponent x squared y.
Okay, so no be a can't show phone at you.
Sir, no one is here. Partially. X squared y ln ln into bracket 3x squared plus y plus e x squared exponent x squared y all over 3x squared plus y.
There's something wrong. Okay, there's something wrong.
No, sir. Bibian, no problem.
There's something wrong here.
Really? So let me check.
Check in here.
No, sir.
Okay, look at it.
There's no problem.
Okay, so that's it.
Please, I think there's something.
So what's the wrong? Tell us.
The first one, x squared e raised to the power x squared y ln 3x squared plus y. That one is fine. But the other one, if you are differentiating it with respect to y, that one.
Joshua Lamptey.
Jano. Oh, yes, go on.
Oh.
That one, she maintained the e raised to the power x squared y, right? Then differentiate ln 3x squared plus y with respect to y. So I think if you differentiate ln 3x squared plus y with respect to y, it will be 3x squared plus 1 all divided by 3x squared plus y.
That's how we are there, pa. Memo GSS, memo P1, the question of the home. If you differentiate with respect to y, we just say.
But I said we will consider 3x squared as a constant, right?
They are not multiplying, they are separated from.
Chema, you
So
better
if you
sit up.
differentiate this one alone with respect to y, what will you get?
Oh, them are boko.
Say, collect his ID.
P1.
That's what I say. What I say. We will differentiate with respect to y, bring us zero.
Yeah. I understand. Thank you.
And multiply this one.
Reporting to Dr. Age.
You straight.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so
Lam
any
T
question?
P1.
Say,
Yes.
the real life situation where you use whatever.
What's you realize the way you are?
I know.
You do it when you go to medical firm,
Ask
and
them
also
there.
in the economic sector. Won't be judging so say the economy. Sometimes you come across an expression that's remember we have two unknown variables, right? So you can come across two diseases that you want to look at the relationship between the two diseases, what is happening. You can be given this expression and you are asked, you have the value for this and this, and you are asked to solve it. Now look at where it is. They must come down for you to make it easier for you. So thinking of bringing it down and that, these are the ways that you can do. So in the course of doing your master's and your PhD in medical field, engineering field, and other side, you will come across it. But ours is just to know, as mathematicians, know the proof. When we get there and the engineers don't know how the formulas came by, then we help them to understand. They are theories. We have to understand them. And in the course of this, you have two variables, and this time you are looking at only one of them. What will happen if you keep one of the unknown variable constant and you keep on changing the other variable? What will happen? That's what we are doing. Why? You put the packaging. What the packaging? Oh, why am I do? Why am I doing? Then you keep on adding salt. Without adding what? Some water and also the meat to absorb the salt. What will happen?
I'm quite better than
Okay.
So you pay the 500 series.
Yeah. Oh, the lady did well. So we will take it from the man who said that this one was wrong. And he wanted to, he changed certain things here. That man, please bring us 500 series.
Lamte.
Lamte 500 series.
Lamte has now what?
Lamte 500.
Okay, now let's look at this question too. And we have to find this one. We have to find this A and B. So let's look at how to focus. Now, what do you see? You see that this is in the form of a fraction. Remember what we did? I said that most of the questions given to us were in the form of what? You use what? The product rule.
Quotient rule.
This one is not a product. It's divided. This is divided by that, right? So anytime you have something like this, you use a quotient rule. Now I hope you understand the quotient rule. If I have to value this, the quotient rule is U over V. So what do you have to do? Yes, we keep the V and differentiate what? The U. So V the U minus U the V all over V squared. please, you need to keep this formula. And please note it well, because the subtraction is not commutative. So if you interchange the position of these two, you get it wrong. So you keep the v, you differentiate the u, minus keeping the u, differentiating the v, all divided by v squared. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. If I have y is equal to 3x squared plus 5 minus 5 on x cubed plus 1. Now, what do I have to do? This will be my u, and that will be my v. So now I need to find the u. What is the u? Please, let's revise. What is the u?
6x.
6x.
6 of x. You are doing that. When I say x, why?
Joshua Lamti.
You are differentiating this one with respect to x. At this time, you be true. So this will be 6x. Okay. Then let's find the v. Yes.
3x.
3x.
X squared.
3x. X squared. So now we have this and that. Now let's put it there. Our dy dx is now equal to what? We keep the v, differentiate the u. V is what this. So it will be 6x into bracket x cubed minus 1. Minus, yes. Let me write it all so that it will go there. So dy dx. Now we have the 6x into bracket x cubed minus 1. Minus, yes. You differentiate this one, then keep this one. So in bracket we have what? 3x squared, then 3x, then all divided by s cubed minus 1 all squared. Then let's expand this and that to give us 6x4 minus 6x minus what? 9x4 plus 15x squared. All on the denominator, still keep them. Don't expand. Now you can simplify. This is 6x exponent 4 minus 9x exponent 4. Get minus 3. So you continue with that. Please continue and tell me the answer. Oliver. Yes, Oliver, subtract and tell me the answer. Give me the final answer.
So you get minus 3x to the power 4.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 3x to the power 4 minus 6x.
What's a minus 3x to the power 4?
Minus 3x. Minus 3x to the power 4.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 6x
Plus 15.
plus 15x squared all over s to the power 3 minus 1 in a bracket all squared.
So right, so minus 3x4 plus 15x and 6x. I prefer you writing it this way. Write this, come to this, and come to that. Okay. So we are going to use this approach to find this and find that. It's the same format that we are going to do. So I want you to take the same format and work for this one. Or should I work for the first one?
Yes, sir.
Let's do the first one together. Please, can I clean this? Here, just a question. I know you did this one the previous semester. Yes. Focus on one. I want to say I have the results.
Joshua Lampe, are you there? Joshua, are you there?
Now we have.
But be careful.
Be careful. We have this one is equal to x squared y, and this one all on x plus y. So you take your u to be x squared y plus y cubed, and v to be x plus y. So that is a two. Then you have to find this one. You are differentiating with respect to x. This time you are finding du dx. Please, I want you to do that. We are differentiating this one with respect to x. Then we find db dx. It's fast. Yes, this one give us what? 2x.
2xy.
Yes.
2xy.
Okay, then this one also give us what? 1.
Joshua.
Okay, so we are now going to use a formula. We have this xy is equal to v du minus u dv all v squared. So my machine. So we have v. This is du is what? And we have 2xy into bracket x plus y minus. Then we have this times what? 1. We have x y plus y cubed all over
X plus y all squared.
all squared. So let's expand. This multiplied that to 2x squared
X
y
y plus
plus 2x
y squared
so minus
x squared y minus. So it's minus y cubed.
Why is it minus?
Minus y cube.
Why is it minus?
Because it is affecting the whole term in the bracket.
And all of them, as I said, it will affect this one will affect this and affect that. They are all in brackets. So you have x. Can we break it down?
Yes.
Yes and that, right? No.
Yes. 2x squared y and then x squared y. Then go to
y plus 2xy squared minus what? Y cubed. All on
X plus y all squared.
Yes, x plus y all squared. So leave note is fine. Stop. But that will be your answer. So I want you to find this with respect to y. I'm finding that with respect to y. Please hurry up and give me the answer.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Professor Uzu.
Joshua.
What the Professor Uzu? Hey, I would say, I would say,
Jonathan.
hey, who's coming governor?
Muhia nkwagye.
Obi for the panis camera. Hey,
Hello, Justina. Justy.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, have you called him?
No, please.
Oh, what are you waiting for?
Okay, let me go in.
I will just be calling why.
Okay.
Read the man. If you call him, he will not pick. Eh?
Please, are we done for the day?
No, Sir just went off.
All right. Pardon? Check. And teacher will come back and check. With the blood call. Really like we talked him. Let me concentrate. Oh, that's the whole. Let me concentrate on what I'm doing.
Hey, don't me see the way that they worry you for there.
It's no easy.
Man, what in how far?
Tell I do everything cool here. Justina.
Same, for finance and essay.
S cube. S cube plus 3xy squared
Plus
plus
2y cube.
2y cube on x plus y all squared.
Yeah, sure, man.
Hey, what's up? Grab your name, Chi.
S cube plus 3xy squared plus 2y cube all over x plus y squared.
X plus y all squared.
All squared, sorry.
Okay.
Oliver, what's here?
Boy, me dia wo me check here you do ha.
Please, then he will join us shortly.
Let me say man man group like terms yinti. Me dia wo say so.
Oh, I would train. I would. Only Papa. What's the idea? What is so?
What in fact one is the measure the x cube plus 3xy squared minus y cube.
Now plus 2y cube.
You.
Joshua Lamte.
Yeah, menyano.
Joshua
Hello,
Lamte.
Joshua. Joshua.
You're trying. Where we?
Joshua no ne Netflix nyo ntimi nya no.
Oh.
Both. Maybe would be would differentiate with respect to when Unya saying, do you know saying?
Du.
Aye.
Yes, when you s square plus 3y square.
And that the V in this way.
The V.
One.
When you one, just one.
Not adding it.
Was that what the minus? No, was that there's a minus between them. So the minus now will affect the s square y square. Sorry, s square y plus minus y cube.
Okay. So
Mr. Dominic, what dia wo ha na?
What do you want?
Oliver.
Yeah, idiot.
Oliver, be careful. I don't know too much.
Ade na calculus na ka say kire na ntia sia ase ase say ku na oti ba bi say see you.
Ora
ye ko nyina bo say ubunya ko na network na teko.
I don't like on poor class no I'm poor now what to.
Justina.
Yes, Ami.
Also ba sisi e yo.
Also o join ni sisi a.
Hey.
I gonna see no. Rabecha.
Mr. Jacob, on sabeti o.
Nisana da hosa. What is wo?
Why no?
Hey, some pa de.
No.
Iti wa ya man ni sato.
Na is a medidi o medibi.
Sam Mr. Jacob ni nsan mu abu.
Ba yi me nsan ne didi o medibi.
Emu abu say pain.
Last time me join class B. Me join na I say anyone to solve. E ho na me sa kate no.
Now anyone to serve na mpeja honsa.
Me wura mu na me join na o. E say anyone to solve.
I don't know Pierre. I don't know free.
Now sapon wa nka be gina o. O minimo.
Na utra na ekura na osan kwa akọgbo Oliver. What's your answer?
No theater. Oliver, I say, oh, baby, I'm not sure say your man will come back, oh man.
ɛno so na ne ɔmo sa yɛ 4 pe o ɛnam so yi sɛ madwan no foforɔ koraa ne yɛbɛ consider me koraa oyɛ da next question wa na bɛyɛ ɛna
Allah.
me yɛ quick
Ɔmɛ four. Four pa.
I'm the class not madam ne.
Justina, soon na so da wo.
Ɔsɛ ɔjoin ni o, nti yɛntwɛn kakra.
Sami to aso ɛ.
Mo pɛ sɛ mo nyinaa mkɔhwe odum mu deɛ a, mo ma me nto asoma mo.
Na wa hwɛ so na adeɛ bɛkɔ akɔhye odum so a.
Joshua lamte, Joshua, to asoma yɛ wae. Joshua.
Joshua madamfo no ti sɛ ne network no. Ti Sami wɔ sɛ me nka nkyerɛ sɛ to aso.
Da ana Her Excellency, to asoma yɛ.
Dokia na
Dabi gifty. Lady na ɔde Michelle Oduro hwan no.
hey Madam Lily nti wo show
What have I done?
na me busa sɛ waka die hu wɔ hɔ a
Boy, Oliver want teach you. Lady wo konkonte nso.
I mahu pa nti na me ha no.
Lily wo konkonte.
Have you prepared TZ or kokonte?
Lily won't fear be nso e.
Hey Lily. Madam Lily. So you won't mind me?
Hello. What's up?
I'm saying that have you prepared TZ?
I'm already in the kitchen. I'm cooking. Tuozafu with what soup do you want?
Now Tuesday with Maku.
And TZ and what do you call it? Is it Satroga or what? Satroga.
Hey, Satoga is Tuozafi.
Hey, anyway. Anyway,
Oliver.
yeah, bro.
Unim Jojo. What did Jojo da?
Jojo. The view.
Bisa no antro.
I can't get. Sabu said then Sabu.
Sabu ya. Sabu ya kule na mu zoom no.
Yeah.
Don't spoil a food name. Oh. What is Sabo?
So how do you
Do you
pronounce
want
it?
Sabo.
Yeah.
Hello.
I like it.
Hello.
Kwame.
Yeah, doc.
Yeah. Please, colleagues, the recording is still on, so all your conversation is being recorded. I think this tool is going to be on the UCC platform, so I think it will be better for us to, exit. Thank you.
Okay. Oh no, so I upload on my essay no.
Justina, on that note,
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Justy.
Also, I try so join both phone and we say laptop no TV join it, so I don't know.
So, Madam Justina, what should we do?
I'm still chatting him, so whatever he says, I'll come and tell you guys.
So, should we leave and come back later?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mama
Hello.
Jesse.
Yeah, he said he's so sorry. I don't know. Maybe his system is disturbing him. So I think we are done with the class for the day.
To reschedule or that's all.
Definitely we'll meet again. But I don't know the exact time we'll be meeting.
Okay. Uncle Party.
Zoom ni àwọ̀ ọ̀bà. Ọtí. Mo fẹ́ normal time. Owó dẹ̀ yeah. That's how he is. That's how I am making. I don't know where guy. I was saying, you won't float no way. Not a bad guy, pa. Ugudo. And then a promise and promise.
Branches why are you?
No more like Ubuna. I'm going to my lamp from Castle. I can't come with a book at it for once in a long year. What is oh? I'm afraid we are covered. I am all home aware. God. You find a guy about the baby. The day in the better coins, Mika.
What's for